Today I will show you how to create certificates and license your SD-WAN controllers. So we have one vmanage here. Let's see it. The controller is not installed. The certificate is no certificate installed. So first we open our vmanage and we enter the vshell command. Next we generate a private key with the following command. We can see if everything is okay. Now we will use the private key with openssl to create the certificate authority with this command. So we created our certificate with the .pem extension. .pem means that the certificate is ASCII file and can be opened with cat. So we copy this certificate and we go to Cisco vmanage settings. First, the organization name should match the already created one. Here, WAP01. We paste WAP01 here and save it. The vbond address is 100.0.1.1 with the default port. Save it. The controller certificate authority is Cisco, but we change it to enterprise root certificate, and here we paste this certificate we just created. And import and save. So now we have to create the CSR request. Let's see first if there is any change. So we generate CSR. There is no need to copy it, it's already here. Here it is. So we use this command in order to generate our certificate, the CA private key. Here it is. We use cat and copy this certificate. Go to configuration, certificates, controllers, vmanage, install certificate and paste it here and click install. Now we see that it's scheduled. Let's refresh it. Here it is, it's successfully synced. So let's see, certificate status installed and everything is good. So thank you for your time. Please see my other videos about vbond and vsmart.